Hi, good morning. I'm Dr. Radha Rajpal. I'm a pediatrician and I consult at the Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurgaon. We recently had a seminar about prevention of COVID 19 in children, and I'm going to give you the highlights of that. So, according to the World Health Organization, only 8.5% of COVID cases are children. Now, there's a reason for this. This is because children get colds very often, and there are other types of coronaviruses which cause colds. So, the children already have some amount of immunity, because of which they are not so susceptible to COVID 19. The symptoms we are all familiar with. There is cough, cold, there may be chest pain, there may be breathlessness. There is a condition called pediatric multisystem inflammatory syndrome, which is characterized by fever, rash, and conjunctival injection, and also involvement of the major organs. So, this is one of the reasons why some parties are very keen to get a vaccine for the children. I'll talk about some of the preventive measures which we need to use. First of all, is the humble soap and hand wash. Hand wash for 20 seconds. So, a good way of telling your children about hand wash is to sing the Happy Birthday to You song. That is how long it takes to wash the hands. Now, why is washing hands preventive? It's because the coronavirus is surrounded by a lipid membrane, and soap is a surface tension reducing agent, so it dismantles the membrane and the spikes fall off, and the virus is no longer infective. Sanitizer can also be used, but the disadvantage of a sanitizer is that the virus particles still remain on the surface. The next thing which is used widely is masks. So, masks are not advisable in children less than 2 years of age or anybody who is not able to remove the mask themselves. And the other thing which we recommend is supplements. These include zinc, vitamin C, and vitamin D. All of these decrease the incidence of respiratory infection and also decrease the severity. And they are recommended in the dose of 3 to 12 milligram per day of zinc, 30 to 40 milligram per day of vitamin C, and 1000 to 2000 international units of vitamin D per day. The other recommendation is that the children should only have virtual